What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend overall. So what is today's video about, Carlos? So today's video is going to be very simple, hopefully informative, and it's pretty much for those that are starting or I guess if you're starting YouTube or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this video may be helpful for you. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna start this video out by starting the video how I started YouTube. This is gonna be without no video and without pretty much nothing, how I started. All right, so it's gonna be the phone is gonna be on a tripod and without no microphone. So this is how I started YouTube. Alrighty guys, so this is how my YouTube started, which was a phone, nothing crazy, and that was pretty much it. I think I would just put my phone in areas and kind of hope that my phone wouldn't fall. So as I progressed, I guess I started buying different things. But if you have watched my videos from the beginning, I would get many complaints on sound. Right now I have no microphone, nothing, so I'm sure from this close it sounds very clear, right? But obviously as we progress back, obviously the video or the sound quality will slowly diminish, right? And many times with sound and everything, you probably couldn't hear me even if I was back here. Of course, in any given scenario, you guys, obviously I'm not gonna be this far out. All right, so now let's show you how it sounds with a microphone. Alrighty guys, so now I am mic'd up. Many people started asking me what microphone was I using after many complaints of my channel sounding horrible, quality was bad. I guess I wanted to sound better, so what I ended up doing, guys, was I ordered this is called a Movo wireless. All right, and I ended up buying the set, which is two wireless transmitter and one receiver. And what that does, obviously, I'm sure the sound quality sounds so much better. It also has a it connects to a microphone, which is what I have hooked up on me right now, and it comes with a little sleeve to put on the microphone for the sound, for wind reduction and stuff like that. But obviously I really like this one. I purchased for I think it was $200 on Amazon, and so far I haven't had any complaints. Yes, in some videos I got some feedback where you would hear ticking, and I think I finally found the issue with that. I think it was the batteries were running low, and I guess that ticking would come into effect. Again, I don't know if that was the issue. I had requested Amazon for a new set, so I returned the first set that I got, and then obviously with the new set that I received, I ended up putting new batteries on there, and that has definitely helped. All right, the beauty of these microphone, guys, is no matter where I go, as long as I'm in reach of the transmitter, you guys can hear me. Right now I'm literally turned around, and I'm sure you guys can hear me very clear, and I am way over here. All right, so this definitely has been one of the best investments I have made towards my channel. And you know, $200, I was really like, should I buy these, right? But I ended up buying these, and I have used them with my good friend, with my good brother Landon Crawford with Aqualux Auto Detailing, and I honestly think this microphone has definitely helped my channel. Again, my channel is nothing great, it's nothing crazy, but one of the feedbacks I would get was that the sound quality was bad, it was horrible, you know. And at the end, towards the end, we'll talk a little bit about my journey through YouTube and how it has been. I want to be honest with you guys, so you know, after this review, I hope you guys don't get discouraged, but you keep pushing if you've thought about starting your YouTube. All right, so let's talk about items. What do you need? Obviously, when I started my channel, it was just my phone, and that was it. And I would put it somewhere and would hope that it wouldn't fall. And so next up, you know, I started doing research. You know, even my fiance was like, do you really need to pay more money for stuff, you know? And yeah, I was like, well, I was excited. I was like, man, I need to do better for YouTube or whatever. So I went to Best Buy and I purchased this DJI Osmo. It's a gimbal. It is really good for those who want to do videos. Very stable, really stable. When you move your hand movements, it's really stable. It's not shaky. Of course, when we have our phones, you know, we kind of shake around, but with this Osmo, it is very, very good. So in some videos that I did my channel, I would use the Osmo and, you know, slowly get some nice shots. I don't think I ever, well, maybe I did use it for some videos. Of course, the quality of the sound, it was not that great. So this has a microphone also, but it's not like the microphone I'm using. But this Osmo, it is a great investment. I think it was $200 also at Best Buy. I'll be posting a link down below. I'm sure it's on Amazon too. But this is a great little tool to have if you want to make videos, if you want to take some nice shots of your vehicles after you're done. This definitely works. All right. Next up, what I ended up buying after a good couple of months of using the Osmo. You know, somebody was like, hey, it'd be cool if you could talk into the camera and do something like blogs. So I take every feedback into consideration, and I ended up buying this. This is the DigiPower. I bought it at Best Buy also, and it's called like a blogger's kit. It was at that time I paid $60 for this one. It comes with a microphone, and it has a also comes with some different lighting, so in case, you know, if you're talking, it has different lighting. And what else? You put your phone right in here, and then I'm using my kid's phone. They're probably gonna be looking for like, where's my phone, Simba? And that's how it goes. And I started doing some videos with this, with the microphone. It was great, but at times it would have difficulties. You would hear some bad frequency, negative feedback off of the wiring. So I stopped using the microphone, and I mostly did it just to like show you some videos and stuff like that. But this is a great little tool to have, and now I'm using it more. Obviously, I ended up realizing that the Movo comes with the accessories too. Obviously, right now I have it connected to my stand, which I'll show you right now real quick how it works. But this little indentation right here has the same entrance as the connection for the receiver, so you just put it in there, and I'm able to walk anywhere and still talk. All right, so these are all great investments. You know, if you're looking for something small to start out with, this one would be your best bet. $60. Comes with different little tools that you can use. It comes with the little remote, wireless remote. So this is actually really, really good. All right, so next up, I'm gonna be showing you my stand that I just recently bought, and I am loving it. So let me get this camera over to the other stand, and I'll show you guys my new tripod. Alrighty guys, so now I have you guys connected. Well, the phone is now connected or on the stand of the one that I just finished reviewing about. So I have you guys here, and the reason I've actually liked this one, I can literally, you know, I can walk with you guys can hear me, I'm able to turn around anywhere, and the quality is still gonna be right there. And also, you can literally put it on the ground or a stand, whatever you guys think is best, and you can literally record some shots of you cleaning the wheels and so forth. So it does really good. But anyways, I don't want to take a lot of your time, so let me flip this camera around, and I'm going to show you guys the new stand and why I love it. Alrighty, so this is actually my new phone stand. It goes up to around 65 inches, I believe. I purchased off Amazon. It was like $35. Obviously it has to be orange, but I have really loved this stand. It has definitely come in handy many times. Feels very durable. I haven't had no issues with it. It's a Joyo can. I like this because when my battery is running low, I put a battery pack on here, connected to my phone, and I have battery. Overall, it has been really good. It comes with a little bubble just to kind of make sure your stand is even. What else? And above this, you can literally turn this knob right here, and it should go higher. You can make it go up, or let's just do it. There you go. So after that, you still have a little bit of more elevation to kind of raise the viewer's eye. And then obviously my camera goes right here, and then on this little piece right here I connect the receiver, which is how I record every time, guys. But overall, very simple. If you want to start a YouTube channel, obviously this is my way, but I know I'm not a pro. I know the professional will tell you to go buy a Canon or something else, but if you're on a budget but you want to get started, I highly recommend iPhone. Obviously, the newer phone you have, the better quality of video you're gonna get. A DJI Osmo, a gimbal as many of us call it. Obviously they sell other types of microphones, but this is the one I bought, the Movo. And obviously that little bloggers kit, the bloggers kit that I have. So next, and to end this video, I want to really talk about, how has my journey been on YouTube, right? And I hope it helps you guys. So let me put this tripod back on the stand, and let's talk about that. Alrighty guys, so to finalize this video, I just want to talk a little bit about my journey on YouTube. Obviously we just talked about the items that you could need, obviously from a gimbal to just a nice tripod to a microphone, and these are all accessories that you will add as you go. Is it needed right off the bat? No. You can ultimately start your YouTube channel with $0, guys. $0. It doesn't take a big investment other than motivation and just the willing to post videos. All right, so I started my channel with a phone, which that's what I use every day, and I finally upgraded to a microphone, but it took a while, guys. And if you've been following my channel, I hope there's a transition of maybe the videos are better. I know the sound is better. The videos, well, they suck, but the sound is better at least. But start your YouTube channel. If you've been wanting to just try something, right? Whenever it was years before I finally gave in to YouTube, because many people would tell me, Carlos, do you have a YouTube channel? I'd be like, no, that's not for me, right? Then I met Landon, and I also met Erwin from Orange Detail out in Hawaii, and he was like, bro, start a YouTube channel. And I just laughed. But then obviously here, Landon from Aqualux, he would push me daily. He's a Marine, so if you're a Marine, you guys are annoying, man. Landon pushed me till I was like, all right, dude, here. I was like, here, all right, let's do it, right? He pushed me to the limit until I gave in, and I was like, let's start a YouTube channel, right? And thank you, Landon, thank you for pushing me. Even Erwin for believing in me to start a YouTube channel, right? Do I suffer from low self-esteem? Probably not, but I don't know. It was just something that I just didn't feel like doing, and I honestly feel like nobody would watch it, right? So that's why the reasons I didn't want to do it. But I finally did it, guys, and honestly, my journey on YouTube has been amazing. It has had its ups, and it has its downs. What could be the downside to YouTube, Carlos? The downside to that is be ready to take feedback. Be ready to receive emails of people that don't like you or don't like your channel. I received multiple emails, and I'll just talk about 3 of them. One of them was, my first email was, your channel sucks. I received that email and I was like, okay. But at the same time, I was like, I already know that my channel sucks, right? Another email was, who let your web back if I can say the word, who let you into YouTube, you know. And then the last one was go back to Mexico. You know, and it's those kind of emails that kind of not trigger me, but I don't think they're ever gonna phase me. You know, I think maybe for a day or so, my mind was lost. My mind was just, I was so zoned out. And I think I didn't do videos for a good couple of days because of that. I guess at that point I was like, man, you know, those people are right. My channel sucks. I mean, fun fact, I'm not Mexican. I'm not from Mexico. I was born in Guatemala. So if those guys are watching, I am from Guatemala, guys. So, you know, I'm not Mexican. Pero arriba Mexico. I love Mexico, man. I love the country of Mexico. They've given me nothing but love. They showed me amazing friendships. So many people think I'm Mexican, which I think all of us Hispanics can relate to that we're all Mexicans in their eyes. But anyways, I'm from Guatemala, guys. But just be ready for that kind of feedback. When you start your channel, it's gonna be great. And I guess the last question that I didn't touch was, how do you make money off of YouTube? So in order to get paid by YouTube, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 viewed hours or minutes. It's one of those, but you have to hit those 2 marks in order for YouTube to finally look at your account and decide if you qualify to be monetized. I could be wrong on this, but I think you have 1 year from the day you start your channel to reach those 2 goals. All right, again, don't mark me on that, but I think that's what it is. And once you reach those 2 goals of YouTube, you're now eligible for monetization. Monetization is you get paid to do videos. So I guess you call those people YouTubers. So I guess I'm a YouTuber. Nah, anyways. But once you hit those 2 marks is when you get paid. And in order for you to get paid once you're monetized, you have to reach the threshold or whatever YouTube requires you. I guess I don't read all of that, so I really wouldn't know. I got paid once, but it wasn't like a big check, which that's okay. Obviously, the more people watch you, the more money you're gonna make, right? But I've always said it. My channel is not great, nothing crazy. So, have I gotten paid? No. I've been monetized for about 4 months, I think. But I guess I don't worry about the money side because, you know, God provides. You know, I'm not doing these videos to get rich, other than just to show people a little bit of what I do on the daily, and, you know, just bring something different that maybe other detailers may not have shown you. My way is definitely not the best way, because I know that I get dinged on that a lot. My way may not be the professional way, but it gets the job done, guys. But anyways, guys, I really do appreciate you guys for, you know, taking the time to watch my videos, and, you know, hopefully you receive something through my end to your side, and, you know, you put that into action. I'm just appreciative of life, of the opportunity of kind of showing you guys a little bit of what I do on the daily. And very soon I start coaching again, and I'll show you guys hopefully a little bit of that side of, I work, I have to coach, and then I have to go back to work. So I am a very busy father. But anyways, I don't want to make this video any longer. Again, guys, God bless you. Thank you so much for the opportunity, for joining me in today's video. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope those seats are dirty. You guys have a great day. Be safe, and God bless y'all.